1200-year-old Kedarnath mystery. The mystic significance of Kedarnath Dham stems from the mythological belief that the hump of Lord Shiva appeared here after he transformed into a bull to evade the Pandavas who sought absolution for the Mahabharata war. The present day temple was built by Adi Shankaracharya in the 8th century on the site of a previous temple, but its exact origins are believed to be much older, possibly even linked to an original structure built by the Pandavas themselves. The most prominent mystic legend says that after the Kurukshetra war, the Pandavas sought Lord Shiva's forgiveness for the bloodshed. Lord Shiva, in the form of a bull, tried to hide in the Himalayas but was spotted by the Pandavas at Kedarnath. When Bhima tried to catch him, the bull disappeared into the ground, leaving its hump behind. This hump is now worshipped as the Jyotirlinga at Kedarnath. In a variation of the myth, the bull was split into 5 pieces when caught, with different body parts emerging at various locations. These 5 locations became known as Panch Kedar shrines, with Kedarnath being the site of the bull's hump. The present Kedarnath Mandir is attributed to the 8th century philosopher Adi Shankaracharya, who not only built it but also restored its glory as one of the 12 Jyotirlingas. While Adi Shankaracharya built the current temple, the site itself is believed to have been sacred even before his time, with legends pointing to an even earlier temple built by the Pandavas. A remarkable chapter in Kedarnath's history is the Little Ice Age, that is between 1300 to 1850 CE, when this temple was entirely covered by glaciers. It was later found to be miraculously intact, a testament to its robust design and spiritual strength. The temple's architecture is noted for its use of huge stone slabs which were assembled without cement or binding agents, contributing to its enduring strength. The temple exhibits the classic North Indian Nagara style of architecture, featuring a simple yet spiritual layout with a Sabha Mantap and a Garbhagriha where the Jyotirlinga is housed. The temple stone slabs are adorned with intricate carvings and sculptures that depict deities and mythological scenes, adding to its spiritual grandeur. In recent times, the 2013 flash floods in Uttarakhand brought Kedarnath into global headlines. While the town faced massive destruction, the main Kedarnath temple miraculously survived with only minor damages, even though giant boulders rolled down from the mountains. One massive boulder, later named the Divine Rock, stopped right behind the temple, shielding it from complete devastation. This event is considered by the devotees as a living legend, a reminder of Lord Shiva's protective presence. The design of the temple is believed to have incorporated knowledge of the terrains, snow and glacier formation, ensuring its structural strength against natural disasters. Unlike other Shiva temples where lingams are cylindrical, Kedarnath features a unique hump-shaped idol. This hump represents the back of Lord Shiva in his bull form, according to Hindu scriptures, as he was said to have transformed into a bull to avoid the Pandavas after the Kurukshetra war. Many visitors report feeling a powerful or unusual energy at the temple site, which they attribute to the divine presence of Shiva. This sensation is often interpreted as a profound spiritual connection, though it is not scientifically confirmed. The mystery surrounding the origins of Kedarnath has ensured that it is an unsolved subject of great interest among scholars and pilgrims alike. Although it is over 1200 years old, no firm evidence can place its origins at any particular point in time. The opinions about its origins vary widely, with two of the most likely stories saying that the temple was either built by the Pandavas of the Mahabharata or was built during 8th century by Adi Shankaracharya, a revered philosopher and saint. It is believed that the temple was built on the site where the Pandavas were trying to gain the blessings of Lord Shiva after the Great War. To avoid them, Lord Shiva is said to have taken the form of a bull and plunged into the earth, the hump being manifested at Kedarnath. Such mythological interlinkages and the doubt looming over the construction dates and icing to the enigmatic cake that is Kedarnath in modern times, carbon dating and other scientific parameters have failed utterly to ascertain the time of the temple's construction, fueling more controversies and explorations. Kedarnath temple is an important temple of the Panch Kedar, which is anciently linked with Hinduism. The legends describe the steps to obtain forgiveness for the woes perpetrated during the Kurukshetra war. The Pandavas, seeking God's blessings, chased Shiva, who thus metamorphosed into a Nandi bull to evade them. As the chasing went on, he gave up parts of his body, resulting in 5 temples, with each site having a religious significance. Kedarnath, hump of the bull, is hid here. Tungnath, bull showed its arms here. Rudranath, bull's face is associated with this temple. Madhya Maheshwar, bull's navel appeared here. Kalpeshwar, bull's hair appeared here. Hence, these temples from the revered Panch Kedar with a common journey for devotees who seek Lord Shiva's blessings and forgiveness. The temple's ability to withstand the forces of a glacial period and the devastating floods of 213 remains a subject of scientific curiosity. Yellow lines observed on the temple walls are thought to have formed as a glacier moved slowly over them, evidence of its long submersion. Kedarnath's Jyotirlinga can be touched during specific times of the day and with proper hygiene practices in place. Visitors are generally allowed to perform darshan and touch the Shivalingam along with performing Abhishek with ghee before 3 pm. After the daily break for cleaning, touching the ideal is prohibited and darshan must be done from a distance. The Kedarnath temple is among the 12 holy Jyotirlingas for Lord Shiva. It is also believed that this temple that Lord Shiva blessed the Himalayas and made his devotees filled to Lord Shiva. When the Kedarnath temple is shut for 6 months in the winter, the deity's idol is carried into Omkareshwar temple in Ukimat and worshipped in the Omkareshwar temple for 6 months. The Kedarnath temple's elevation is 85 feet. It has a length of 187 feet and a width of 80 feet. Kedarnath temple walls are 12 feet thick and constructed of extremely robust stones. The ideal believed to be that of Shiva within Kedarnath has degraded. Also, it is believed that the head of the statue of Shiva is found in the Doleshwar Mahadev temple in Bhaktapur, Nepal. Some religious scholars claim that nothing will be able to happen at this holy temple regardless of how large an event occurs because the main god guards the temple. The name Kedarnath originates from the name Kodaram. Legend claims that the gods worshipped Lord Shiva to protect themselves from demons. The Lord Shiva came in the form of an ox and defeated the demons and threw their bodies into the Mandakini river using his horns. Unveil the majestic stature of Kedarnath temple as we delve into its spiritual significance and remarkable altitude. Situated amidst the breathtaking Himalayas, Kedarnath Temple stands as a symbol of devotion and faith, captivating pilgrims and travelers alike with its towering presence. Perched at an awe inspiring altitude of 3,583 meters above sea level, Kedarnath Temple commands reverence and admiration from devotees and adventurers who brave the ascent to its sacred abode. The lofty height of Kedarnath temple symbolizes spiritual transcendence and divine connection, attracting pilgrims from afar and wide and seek blessings and solace in the lap of the Himalayas. With a history dating back centuries, Kedarnath temple's towering presence serves as a testament to the enduring devotion of generations past and present, preserving the sanctity and heritage of this sacred site. Set against the backdrop of snow-capped peaks and verdant valleys, the height of Kedarnath temple offers a surreal panorama of nature's grandeur, captivating visitors with its ethereal beauty and serenity.